Alright guys, we're here at Richmond Republic. Thanks for joining us. We have our restaurant table that we used Osmo Polyx-oil. We had an initial video. We were doing this at the shop. Craig from Richmond Republic was kind enough to let us try it out at his restaurant. Thank you, Craig. And we are going to clean it off from all the stains that we got that built up over the couple months that we've used it here. There you got some Christmas stuffing and along with some other stuff. So we're going to wash this off. We're going to reapply a coat of the Osmo Polyx-oil. So if you guys have these in your restaurant, you know how to do some maintenance on them. So we're applying the Bona hardwood floor cleaner. We're going to use this to clean the table. Just take a rag. Alright guys, we wiped the table down. Now we're going to braid it. This is like a scouring pad, slightly abraded, or it's coarse so it'll abrade the surface.
From 3M.
Oh, it's from 3M? Alright, yeah, it's from 3M. Beautiful. Before, after. The damp cloth that we just used to wipe down the table with the Bona hardwood floor cleaner. Take your Osmo, shake it just like a can of paint. Smells like mom's gravy. Just kidding. Okay, we're going to use this
Also by 3M.
pad, this application pad, also by 3M, to apply. Just dip in a corner in here. There you go. Okay, just like you're dipping some bread and some focaccia in the gravy. It's a lot like olive oil. It has a consistency of olive oil.
Yeah.
If you can imagine that. Just want to get a nice thin layer on there. All right, now our table's completely covered. We're using the same rag. We're going to buff out any of the excess that we have on the on top of the table. Any of the excess Osmo oil wax. So we want to take that same rag, the dry part, clean part of the rag, just kind of buff it. See there's some shiny parts, you want to get that out of there. Should be kind of a matte finish that you're going to end up with. There we go. You got a table that looks almost brand new. No more food marks, no more light spots and dark spots. Consistent, rich looking, ready to go right back out in the restaurant. Osmo absolutely held up. It's a piece of wood. It's a beautiful piece of reclaimed wood. Just like any other piece of wood, you have to take care of it. You have to manage it. And this is just part of that, okay? But as you can see, you make it look as good as new in about 15 minutes.